So, welcome back sa another video. So, today, mag-unboxing tayo. So, pagsamahin ko na lang yung video na ginawa ko na unboxing nung nakaraan gabi. So, that video, na-receive ko yung gift. Not only me, but lahat ng girl sa office. Like, binigay siya nung wife, nung boss namin. Thank you so much, madam. So, wala lang, naisip lang niyang bigyan yung mga girls ng gift. So, I received bag, perfume, and sunglasses. Bali, yung sunglasses ay feel na malaki siya sa akin. So, isasama ko na lang siya sa box na ipapadala ko sa family ko. So, bigay ko yun sa nanay ko, yung sunglasses. Kasi ganun yung mga style na sinusuot niya na sunglasses. So, ibibigay ko yun sa kanya as a gift. So, hindi ko na siya gagamitin kasi feeling ko super laki. Hindi ako kasi nagsusuot ng malaking sunglasses kasi feeling ko hindi siya bagay sa akin. So, yun. So, thank you so much kay madam na nagbigay ng mga branded na gift. Super, parang surprise yun. So, suddenly, nagbigay lang siya ng mga gift para sa mga ladies sa office. So, super na-surprise kami. So, thank you so much. We really appreciate your gift. We wish you good health, happy life, and more blessings to come. So, you will be a blessing to somebody else as well. So, thank you so much kay Madam Falguni for giving us those gifts. We really appreciate it. And then, thank you also to my boss, Mr. Yogi. So, thank you so much. And to Rohan din, na anak nila. Okay, so today, we'll be unboxing another video. Not sponsored. I ordered it online. 2 items lang to. Very simple lang. But since I'm a black member, so I grabbed the chance na kasi meron silang 50% off that time for black member first. Pag black member ka kasi, kayo yung black member and then yung another panapas. Kayo yung una makakuha ng mga online, not online, kayo yung makakakuha una ng mga promotions, and then you have the chance to select and order whatever you want na available. So, yun, ganun yung peg, kayo yung mauna, pumili kayo ng anong gusto nyo, tapos sa kanila, the next day, saka sila kung ano man yung promotion, sa kanila yun ilalabas sa iba. Online, sometimes in shop din. So, ganon. Pero kayo yung unang makakabili. Okay, so I grabbed the chance, though hindi ako masyadong bumili kasi, to be honest, hindi ko pa kailangan masyado na makeup since most of the time, nag-wear tayo ng mask. So, I don't see na kailangan talaga natin bumili. And, para makasave din. Since I still have a lot of makeup, as you can see, or maybe you cannot. Yan. So, super dami ko pang ganyan. And then, hindi naman siya talaga, alam mo yun, hindi siya super kailangan. Kaya, hindi muna ako bibili. So, most of the time, since I'm wearing mask, nag-wear lang ako talaga ng lipstick. And then, yan, nakikilay lang tayo. And then, yung bello lang talaga yung ginagamit ko sa face. The whole day, ito lang talaga. And then, nag-a-apply lang ako ng powder para hindi siya oily. Yan. So, ganyan lang yung ginagawa ko kasi ayoko masyadong ma-irritate yung skin. Yan. So, ito, nag-order ako nito nung nakaraan pa. Doon pa sa dati kong room. Pero hindi ko pa siya na-open. I mean, na-open ko na siya pero hindi ko pa siya ginagamit kasi nga parang hindi ko naman talaga masyadong kailangan. So, pag black member ka, you have the option na ipalagay sa box yung bibilin mo, like as if it's like a gift. And then, pwede rin maglagay ng message. So, wala lang. I grabbed the chance lang to try it because it's my first time actually. So, let's open it. Oh. Let's see. So, ganyan siya. See. And then, naglagay ako ng message sa sarili ko. So, I put stay beautiful and healthy. So, stay beautiful and healthy. So, pinili ko siya. So, gusto ko kasing malaman like kung magbibigay ba ako ng gift. Yan. Like, inisip ko kasi like, kung magbibigay ba ako ng gift, ilagay ko dito dahil mayroon siyang alcohol sa side. Like, kung magbibigay ba ako ng gift, kung mag-order ako online and then ipapabox ko, then may message. Gusto ko kasing makita kung ano yung itsura niya mismo. Kaya ako siya din ginawang ganito. But, yun. So, yan. Ito pala yung order ko. So, I ordered hair styling, puff and go. Yan. Ito, gusto ko kasi siyang gamitin. Like, let's say, kasi ang init na water ngayon, though dito na sa new flat ko, okay naman yung water. Like, meron talagang proper hot and cold. Kasi dun sa previous flat ko, super init ng tubig. Like, ay nako, ang init. So, feeling ko nga na lagas-lagas na yung buhok ko doon. So, kaya inisip ko noon time na yun, mag-order ako ng dry shampoo para alam mo yun, like, maybe alternate days lang ako magbasa ng buhok. Kaya ako to in-order, puff and go. Para, alam mo yun, dry shampoo siya. So, kahit hindi ka maligo everyday, kahit hindi ka magbasa ng buhok everyday, okay lang dahil sa ganito. So, yan. Ito siya. So, from Sephora. So, 50% off ko to nabili. I forgot the price. O basta yun. Hindi ko na matandaan. Check ko later dun sa application ko sa Sephora. Meron kasi akong application. So, i-double check ko dun kung how much. And then I will put the link down below. So, if in case interested kayo for this one, pwede nyong i-check. But I'm not sure if they have promotion until now. But usually, nagsasale naman sila, but not all the time. So, abangan nyo na lang. And then, aside from that, I ordered as well, Sephora Honey Lip Scrub. Okay. So, bago pa siya, hindi ko pa talaga siya na-open. Yan. So, wala lang. Naka 50% off din to. The flavor or shade, maybe flavor kasi scrub naman to. Miel Honey. Basta. Miel Honey. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita niya. So, do you want to see it? Exfoliating and smoothing. Wow. Okay. Peel here. Okay, this is how to open. It says peel here. Let's peel. Oh. Wow. Okay. Oh. Ano lang siya, syempre lip balm lang naman ito na parang scrub. Hindi ko alam na kung paano. Honey lip scrub. Is this for at night? Not sure. Okay, and then meron akong nakuha na freebies. Wow! What's this? So, I'm not really sure how to pronounce this. So, this is the brand. Okay. So, they gave us this. And then, ayan yung laman. Okay. And then, wow, what's this? They have something in here. I'm not sure what is that. Okay, so, your clear skin routine. Wow. So, okay. I think. Okay, so the first one is this one. It says Clear Skin Purifying Toner. This is the first one. Like, ito yung first step. Second is the Blemish Control Infusion Serum. Unclogs and tightens pores, refines skin texture. Nice. And then the last one is the Skin Perfecting Mattifying Fluid. Mattifies and moisturizes. The skin is less shiny. Wow. So, 3 steps siya. Your clear skin routine, it says. So, this one is meron siya dito. For this, ang nagsabi, apply the first green skin patch directly to the oiliest area of your skin for 10 seconds. Apply the, I don't know how to pronounce this, the Vinopure routine. Apply the Vinopure routine following the 3 steps. Allow the products to dry before applying the second skin patch on the same area. See the difference? Let's blah blah blah. Okay, so, yan. Thank you, Sephora. Always may freebies. And then, yun lang. So, yun lang talaga yung binili ko. Gusto ko lang i-experience na may box, ganyan, cinnamon, yung effort nila. Ang ganda pa ng papel. So, ganyan yung box. So, good idea to. Just in case, you know, may gusto kayong pagbigyan ng gift, ganyan. So, pwede nyo i-select na may box. I'm not sure if para sa lahat or kasi yung order ko naman is less than 100. Pero siguro, I'm not really sure if kung regular card holder ka ng Sephora, if the same lang or if black member ka ba, may ganitong kasama. I'm not really sure about that. So, yan. Yan ang ating mga binili. And of course, our favorite freebies. I mean, mahilig ako sa freebies. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Pauwi na ako. Meron tayong gift. Gift galing dun sa asawa ng may-ari. So, nakakuha tayo ng gift from asawa ng boss ko. Tagalan. Then, we'll see what's inside. Buy one, get one. We can use on weekend. What's inside? Tim Hortons, buy one, get one. Free 30 all-access pass. Show this fun and fitness. Sky Zone. In even Batuta Mall. Right?
Yeah.
Nice. 30 minutes. Show this pass and jump your way. Jump. Buy one, get one. Wow! Till this year. Sushi. We can eat sushi. Wow! Sweets. All buy one, get one. Oh! This one is good. We can have this. One is this. Till 31 also. Okay. Oh, what's this? Black print. Oh, glasses. Okay. Boom. after. Oh, wow. Oh, it's big. You're big.
It matches. Ooh, that looks good.
Oh.
Those fit you.
Nice. Very summer. Oh.
Perfume.
Beverly Hills Polo. Wow. What is this cream? It's so generous. What is it? Wow. Very fancy.
Smells good.
Yes. I like it.
Yeah, it's so soft.
Yeah. Wow. Okay, check.
Expensive perfume, of course.
And the good small bag. Beverly Hills Polo Club.
Oh, same. I think the...
Yeah. Wow. Let's open this.
Just rip it out.
Yes. So we can go on weekend. I'll use this.
Perfume, here's the glass.
Yeah, wow. Let's open this. You need to be careful.
Okay. I think yeah.
Ah, okay. Oh, I like this. Wow.
You can
There is the care bag
Nice.
to put it. Nice. I love it so far. Very nice.
Is this the way to keep stuff? It's a strategy.
I like the perfume.
Yeah. It's so soft.
Yeah.
Expensive perfume.
Yeah. Let's use the bag.
So fancy.
Nice bag. What's the occasion, I wonder? Yay! I can carry it like this. Let's go, Trick.
Okay, let's go down.
Nice. We can go eat somewhere here. I'll use my bag.
And the perfume.
Yeah, well.
It's perfect.
Please like this video if you enjoy, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please press the bell button so you'll be notified once I uploaded a new video. So thank you guys for watching. Bye!